have the IP address, and we have this as a website which says that please excuse us, and it's under construction and something. So by the way, if you're a web developer, contact us. Okay, cool. So let's start it. So we need to find all of these things. So let's start with nmap scan. So nmap-sv, and then the IP address. So which is this one. So I already have this with me, and this is the result. So we have FTP, we have an SSH, and we have HTTP. Okay, so now since I see FTP every time, I just do an SC script scan as well, because many times FTP do have anonymous logins. So for that only I'm going to check nmap-sv-sc as well to this given IP address. But let's just do it on port 21, and let's just check. And by the time we'll also run GoBuster to like brute force different types of possible directories like images and all, just like it might be a possibility. So GoBuster dir-u, the URL HTTP, it's the same URL as this one, you can see over here. Yeah, and then the word list, which is usr share word list, then there is turb and common.txt. So you need to do these two. So the results for the GoBuster are here. So it has something known as files and server status. So server status says 403, so it won't work, but as of files it will work. It says 301, which is kind of a redirect, and files did work. And it has three things over here. One is files, one is important, and something like notice. So what is in this notice? That whoever is leaving these Among Us memes, it's not funny. Okay, fine. And there is something important.jpg. okay, it's a picture, and there is a directory known as FTP. Okay, now let's so the scans for the port 21 which you did are here, and yep, it is indeed allowing anonymous login to the FTP. So FTP IP, which is 10.10.92.59, and the name is anonymous, password is anonymous, and we are in. So this is kind of the thing, like FTP many times allows doing this thing. Now again I'm inside, and I see FTP directory, important.jpg, notice.txt. Have you seen something which looks similar? Yep, you're right, it's these three are the same as these three. So whatever I do changes over here will be reflected over here. It's kind of the same. And as you can see, FTP has an access where anyone can read, write, edit, anything he can do. So let's do it then. Then let's go to FTP, and let's put a reverse shell over here. So for putting a reverse shell, I'm going to go to pentest monkey, and I'm just going to choose some reverse shell, whichever I want. So okay, let's not choose this one. We can even choose a PHP reverse shell. I'll like file upload reverse shell file upload. Yeah, and I want you to download this one, PHP, this one. Yeah, this one. So on downloading this, we can upload this. Okay, so I already have it with me. Let me see it. Downloads lscd. Yeah, here it is. So I already have it with me, this thing. So if we cat it out, then you need to change the value over here, which says that it's the same one of this one. You need to change this IP to your own IP. Alright, rest all is the same. So yeah, once you have changed, now let's put this in this FTP. So what is my present working directory? LCD is my local current directory. So let's LCD to downloads PHP reverse shell, and let me put the PHP reverse shell which I just showed you guys. and now in this FTP directory I have this PHP reverse shell. So why I was able to put a file in the first place is because the FTP directory which was there is see, I'll show you this FTP directory which is there over here. It is like anyone can do any changes to it. That's why I was able to put the value. And as you can see, now there is a reverse shell which was not there before, because I just put in the reverse shell and it's now showing over here. So let's get back that connection. So let's start a netcat listener, lvnp 1234. Now I'm listening to the connection, and very second I click on it, it will run and it will throw me an reverse shell and I am in. Yeah, so if we cat out this recipe.txt, we will get the secret ingredient over here. As of the content of user.txt, let's do that thing. So let's see. Okay, there is a folder name as incidents which I have never heard of before, so let's go there. cd incidents ls. Okay, and there is a suspicious pcapng. Okay, so let's get that. So python 3-m http. I'm just making a server and I'll get values from here. So I've hosted a server and I'm going to get this value. So get IP, not this, the IP at the port 8080, which I just ran an 8080, and I want to get this thing. So yeah, oh, it's wget, it's not get, it's wget, sorry. And yep, it did work 100%, and yep, it is successful, and it is indeed in my music folders right now, so I don't need this. And if I'll press Ctrl C, I was clearly thrown out, so I need to do this thing again, and now again I'm in. That's cool. So at least now I have the file with me. So this is the file. So to open it, I need to go to Wireshark, and in Wireshark I'll open this thing. So to open it, I'll go to file, and you can open it from there. I just have it here, and this is the bcap. So to understand what is this bcap about, we can just see, and we can just do an export object http. It says over here what happened. So I see a shell.php. So just like what we did, I guess some other attacker also did the same thing. He used that shell and he did some reverse shell thing, and he got a reverse shell, and that was recorded in this Wireshark. And I'm just choosing a random file. Okay, I'm just choosing a random thing, and I'm choosing it to follow as TCP. And as you can see, that attacker ran some commands, because when he did that reverse shell thing, all the commands are not encrypted via that reverse shell. That's why we can actually see this thing ls and all. So firstly he ran ls, he got the same result as we did, including this incidents file. Then he did ls-la. This is some other attacker, this is not us. And then he did this thing. This is to get a stable putty shell. Okay, so now you'll see that I did this. Like, how did I get this? So you can just, I'll show you. See, stable, let's see, stable python ttf shell. So what will this do is, now when if I switch user, this is the command. Yeah, so if I'll switch the user, at least it will now ask me for a place where it will ask me for the password. Then he did, okay, I can see something like he did cd Lenny and he put a password. So let's go to the home directory, and there is this Lenny user. So let's switch user Lenny, and let's try this as a password. Maybe the attacker knew her password, and yep, I am Lenny. So nice, I am Lenny. Indeed, I tried the password and it was right. So that is done. Next up is, what should we do next is be the root. What is the context of user.txt? Okay, so if you'll cat out this user.txt, you'll get the answer. Next is be root. Okay, so let's try and see if we have some sudo privilege answers. Okay, I cannot run sudo, but I can run scripts and I can run documents. Okay, so let's see what is in that scripts. Is there something? Okay, there is a planner and there is a startup list. Okay, let's cat it out and let's check what is happening. Okay, what it is doing here, it will echo a list from this startup list, and it will run print.sh. Like there's something known as print.sh which I've never heard of. So let me cat it out. Let me print it out. Okay, so print.sh is a local file, I guess. I think that guy made it himself for us this to run. Okay, let me see the privileges and all. So I cannot run this. I can run planner.sh though. Yeah, I can run planner.sh /planner.sh, and it gave me something denied and done. So when I see this done is actually belonging to this thing, which is this cat etc.print.sh. So that is working for sure. So I can run planner will run as root, and this thing, yeah, sure, maybe planner. I don't think planner will run as root. Yeah, planner will run as root, and it will call this print.sh. So if I change this print.sh to some value, let's try nano. Let's not try nano, it will just break the system. It will break everything. So let's put some value like bin/bash-i. Maybe this will work. Okay, and let me again call that planner.sh. Did something happen? Nope. Okay, it says permission denied. That's all it says. Okay, since that is not running, let's think something else. I'm sorry, I cannot clear all of this though. Okay, cat planner is calling to this function, and this function is what I just changed it to. Okay, let's again change the value. Echo, what should I do? chmod +x +s /bin/bash. Okay, I need to put this value somewhere as well, and I'll put this in this file. Yeah, now I'll run planner.sh. Okay, it's still showing me operation not permitted. Okay, so maybe I'm not allowed to do that, so there is, let me just look for is this script running on an automatic basis or not, because I really think it is running automatically because it's a script. So maybe in my documents, one second. Yeah, I have this PSPY64, which is meant to be to like let me just show you. I think it's process snooping, PSPY64. Yeah, this is for unprivileged Linux process snooping. Cool. So let's run this. So to run this, let me serve a Python server. So sudo python -m simple http server. Okay, that will serve a server for me, and I'll get this file. So wget my IP, which is here 10.9.24.142 / this thing, and yep, it was a success. As you can see, I did get one GET request. Now let me run this. So to run this, chmod +x PSPY64. Okay, did I not? Okay, I am in the scripts. Okay, my bad. I am in the scripts folder and I am not allowed to run it because scripts is owned by root, this whole directory. So I need to do that W thing again. Oh my god. Yeah. So now it will run. And yep, it is successfully being downloaded. Now, okay, cool. That is done. And I have this this thing. So chmod +x to PSPY64. And now let me run this. Let's do the unprivileged Linux snooping. Okay, let's check. Oh, is there something I can take advantage of? Maybe. Okay, so this thing is running maybe, and okay, this thing is running, this shell script is running, which is the plan.sh is running, and it is running as UID 0. That means it is running as root. Where did it go? Here, this one, UID 0. It is running, and is running as user root because the UID is 0. It ran at 9.2. I guess we are good to go, maybe. Okay, firstly I need to break out for this shell. Okay, I need to quit it. Again, I will have to do this thing where I will switch user to Lenny. Okay, to switch. Okay, let's again do this. Let me just choose a random this thing. Again, I will do this thing. So switch user to lenni, and the password is this thing. Yeah, now I am Lenny, so everything is fine. Now I know that this planner.sh is running as root, so that's great. Why is it like that? 1 second else. Okay, anyways, let's cat out this planner, and in this thing, whatever if I type in this print.sh, it is actually running as root without me running it. It will run as root only. Yeah, so if root ran it over this period of 1 minute, I am sure this might have run, and I will just ls this place. If I'll check if it really did run, and yep, I do see that s over here, so I can just call it /bin/bash-p ls, and now I am okay. I'm not the root. One second, I need to run it, right? Something wrong. Okay, fine. It did run the first place only. I didn't see this one, which is my effective user ID is root, because I use this -p command, and I can just go to the root directory, and I can cat out this root.txt, and that is it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.